How to draw an isometric block on iPhone or Procreate Pocket app. First, setting your canvas. I will show you step by step. Okay, we will set our canvas size. Click the plus sign and then click custom size. Yes, put x50 by x50 pixel, and then at the top left click modify and you will see settings. Click setting and set it to isometric with the grid size 50 pixel. Don't forget to set your layer that you are working on to drawing axis, and then you can start to draw isometric block. It's easy. The difficult things is when you draw the lines and it's too long, then it's difficult to erase it because we are drawing on the small screen. You have to adjust your brush size. Okay, it's done.